In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in an Audi A4 key fob. This is super easy. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery. And if you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out the first link down there in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, the first step here is just to look down on the bottom. You can see there are two buttons on either side. I'm going to hold those down and remove the internal key. Now, inside of here, we have another part to remove, and there are two tabs on the side here. You're just going to squeeze those tabs and gently pull out this little piece inside there that has the battery in it. And now you can just simply remove the battery with your fingers. And when you're putting in your new battery, which again is a CR2032, make sure that the positive side is facing down and just click that into place right there. Now, if you have the device with the buttons facing up, the battery is going to be facing down. You want to see the text on the back here, and you'll just simply slide it into place and push all the way down until you hear that click. And now we can just put the key back in there, and we are all set. If you like this video, if it helped you out, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel, and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.